Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make fried eggs in Minecraft, full guide. Start by placing a campfire or furnace near a stone slab or cauldron to act as a pan, then drop an egg directly onto the heat source or use a hopper to automate feeding the cooker. Use charcoal for steady heat and repeat with multiple eggs to stack up servings for your village or survival stash. In this video, I will show how to make fried eggs in Minecraft, full guide. First, position a campfire beneath a stone slab or smooth stone to simulate a frying pan, then toss an egg onto the slab's top surface so heat registers. Monitor the egg until it changes state or produces a cooked item, then harvest with a shovel or hopper and transfer to chests for storage or quick food access during exploration. In this video, I will show how to make fried eggs in Minecraft, full guide. Quick recommendation. The simple path to wealth totally changed how I think about resources and planning, which strangely applies to efficient Minecraft farms. Think long-term yields and compounding effort. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make fried eggs in Minecraft, full guide. Automate by placing a dispenser or hopper above the heating block to drop eggs at set intervals, and route cooked results into a chest using a hopper below. Add a simple redstone clock or observer pulse to control frequency, and protect the system with walls and torches to prevent mob interference so your egg production runs reliably while you focus on building or mining.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.